18 to 30. Let's give them a big hand. O, halika na. Huwag ka nang umalis, kuya. Come here. Go ahead. Here are the little boys with their angel-inspired gospel. Palakpakan niyo naman sila. There you go. Okay. And now I would like to welcome back on stage our preteens with their angel-inspired costume. Come on in. All the preteens, come on. Good. On this side, there, and then on this side also. I'm surrounded by cute little angels. Here they are, ladies and gentlemen, our official candidates for the Kitty and Preteens Model Search 2008. Let's give them a warm round of applause. And of course, our best angel-inspired costume will be awarded on December 14th at the Pearl Manila Hotel. I know you guys have your own bets already kung sino yung pinakamaganda angel costume. Well, definitely, I have my own as well. But all of them are really, really cool and beautiful. So, gusto ko palakpakan naman natin ang mga bata for the effort for wearing these really, really nice costumes. Congratulations in advance to you kids and to your parents as well. So this has been the Merry Christmas and a Teeny New Year here at the SM City, Manila. Thank you so much, everybody, and have a pleasant day to all of you. Thank you. Congratulations, kids.